Hey, greetings from Texas. Okay, it's Sabrina's birthday, so I'm making her breakfast. We're gonna have Japanese pancakes. I found this pancake mix. Now, Japanese pancakes are really, you can see how thick they are, and they are the best pancakes in the world. But normally, instead of adding a liquid, you whip it up like a whipped cream and you fold your batter. So this came with individual packages of batter. We got it at the Korean grocery store. Unfortunately, all the writing was in Japanese. I thought it was a Korean product initially, so I used Google Translate, and it converted one of the steps. It said, "Let's go to hell," and I took a screenshot of that. This mix with 150 milliliters of milk and an egg, and we'll have her batter, and I'm gonna make her some little smoky, I call them Smoky Joe's, breakfast sausage. And for topping, we have coffee jelly, which is awesome, or pure maple syrup. If you're making pancakes, we don't make them that often, so we don't skimp. We get maple syrup, no high fructose corn syrup for us, and syrup pretty much keeps forever. All right, so we're gonna cook all this outside. We're gonna make our Japanese pancake batter, and inside that larger package were 8 of these. So anyway, it requires 150 milliliters of milk, which is roughly almost 6 ounces. Fortunately, the Pyrex has mils on the back, or you can ask Siri. I didn't pay attention. We were at the Korean grocery store, and Korean text looks like it's very similar to Japanese script. And a lot of Korean influence, since they were occupied by Japan, is a lot of their cuisine was influenced by Japan. So let's get our batter all mixed up. Let's mix this up. I was in Tokyo in 2019, and I went to a pancake shop, breakfast pancake shop, and if I could find that picture, I'll throw it in here. Anyway, Japanese pancakes are, like I said, you whip up the cream into a whipped cream and you fold that into the batter, so you get this real fluffy pancake. And it's so light and delicate. All right, here's what our batter's looking like. One thing about pancakes, your first pancake's always an experiment. Make sure you got your heat right. So we're gonna let this sit for a second, fully hydrate, and let the leavening agents do their thing. And we'll come back in a little bit. All right, let's lube up the grill. And let's get our little smokies on here. I love these things. I use these to make English breakfasts. Okay, we're gonna do our First pancake, I'm using a 1/3 cup scoop. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we had some bubbles here. Well, these aren't puffing up. Let's see what happens here. Oh, there we go. We got a rise out of them. Hemp is good, so let's start making pancakes. All right, these are good. These look like girl-sized pancakes. All right, I think our sausages are done. Okay, last pancake. And here's what they look like. Okay, let's build Sabrina a little plate. And I'll let her put her topping of choice on. Okay, so I think this is the first time Sabrina's had Japanese pancakes.
I'm so excited.
She put coffee jam on hers, and I'm gonna go with, oops, I accidentally got syrup on my sausage. How is it?
Delicious.
All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed that look at Japanese pancakes. Again, not quite what you experienced in Japan, but for an instant mix, I think it's pretty good. Let me do my taste test.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
They're good. All right. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching.